The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Arjan, good morning. Guys, very good morning. Dennis, good morning. Fellas, it's still a choppy little range that we're in. I don't expect anything to change until CPI on Friday. Next week we'll get PPI and FOMC. Billy, good morning. Greg, Scott, guys, good morning. I do not think we have crude inventory. Today is Wednesday, June 8th. We do have crude. We have no news other than crude. Wholesale inventories at 10. We have no speakers and we have no earnings. Nothing going on today, fellas. Chris, good morning. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Dominic. Guys, today is Wednesday, June 8th. Very good morning to you. Just as an update, obviously I'm running our funded trader bots. I just switched to an account that has, I need $926 to pass a combine there. And I am also running the original bots with one contract on my funded accounts using the trade copier. So this trade is about on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ just shorted. This is the original with one contract. So we'll see how that plays out. I'm also running crude on the original with one contract. The funded trader bots just came down and hit targets. And this is quasi sitting. It really needs to come down through 680, and this will come down to target. So we'll see what we get. If it doesn't come straight down, I'll kill the trade quickly. I am monitoring my positions here. Okay, so we got different fills. And I'm also got my whatchamacallit up, my apex, just in case I have to flatten positions. Okay, there it is. Come on, hit that target. It did hit target and didn't fill, which is an annoyance. Hit it again. Okay, so target's filled. Let's check positions. I'm flat on positions, nothing to worry about. Okay, that's done with the trade copier. One contract trade. There we go. What do you mean, how many charts? All of them. All of them. Whether I trade them or not is irrelevant, but I have them set to trade NASDAQ, YM, ES, GC, and CL. Okay? I think that's your question, right, Jeff? So again, guys, if you're going to run the trade copier, one, I think that any errors will come in periods of higher volatility. Again, an opinion, I don't know, but I would suspect that that's going to be where the errors are. Make sure that you monitor your position page as well. I have my apex up. So if I have to flatten accounts, I can flatten accounts. Okay? So I know that obviously some of you guys have had some issues with the trade copier in the past. So that's what I am doing. Okay? In any event, guys, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Let me do this. Okay. Trade number one with funded accounts. Good morning, Koppel. Ryan, good morning. Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts. Thank you, Ryan. Generally, luck has nothing to do with it. Luck usually runs out. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. That's the original settings on the bot on crude. One contract trade. So let's check positions. They both filled, same price. First target's only 11 ticks. These are the original settings. Let's take a look at order flow and see what that looks like. We are absent, sellers, any real sellers. There's not much trading. Look at your delta. It's not moving. 105, unless I have no data. 106. One contract traded. 6 were bought. We have pulled VWAP up. 78 should be a good stop. NASDAQ target hit and then some. ES target hit. If you took the short at 46, you have your target 1 at 41. Next target down is 39. Anybody short NASDAQ? Guys, I will not let these trades go very far. Okay. Hey, Billy. Yes, it is a manual trade, Billy. It's an order flow trade. It did, but I didn't have it on, Greg. It took the short at 8 just now. I did not have it on. Everything's coming down nicely. Crude sitting at entry. Here comes your next target at 38, 39 on ES. And below that, 37 and then 41.30. Come on, crude. 11 ticks. Let's go. We should get VWAP here, fellas, if you're short. We need to take that little swing there. and work down toward VWAP. That swing is first target. This could not be any slower. Gold. Hit hard. I'll be done with this crude trade in a minute. I'll give it till 8:30. London lows are at 35. I mean, it should get that 39. It should, before it starts an up move again, should pull back. But, to get 11 ticks here is like pulling teeth. Good Lord. Here comes the 8:30 candle, fellas. Higher low, inside candle. Not my kind of trade. I'm on the close. Look at that. Spike to target on no volume. So let me make sure I'm out. All trades closed. We're good. We're good. So again, this is the original settings on crude. I missed the funded trader settings, which has already hit target. I've got so many charts I can't see half of them. Here we go, fellas. Okay, so I'm long. Check my position, same entry. If we push here, this should go right above 90. It's got to get 90. Come on. I see you trying. Unfinished auction back here at 75. I don't dig. There we go. Come on. Still can't go 11 ticks. Seems to be the number. Buyer here. We got to 96. Missed my target by a tick. Target filled. Okay. Target filled. Yeah, Alec Baldwin's an a-hole too. Another jerk. Guys, I've been around guns my entire life. My entire life. They don't just fire. And it's your job to know if it's loaded or not. All right, guys. So my daily goal in my funded bots, my funded accounts, is $350. I'm $40 away from my daily goal and done. Trading one contract, as we discussed when we did education. So I will follow that plan. I mean, honestly, I joke and I say this, but I don't have many skills. I really don't. I mean, fly fishing is not a skill. I'll try a stacked and balanced long. Well, I mean, okay, so yeah, okay, so maybe there's some skill involved, but not a whole lot. But I can't paint, I can't sing, I don't play a guitar, but I can sure as shoot trade. All right, so I got a stacked and balanced long. This is a tough target because I have to come through 67.5. It's a tough target. I will close this trade here, guys, with a small loss. It's a tough first target. I'm on the close button. Come on. Get back up above point of control. Go. Go. Buyers. Got stacked buyers again. Come on, buddy. Squeeze that some gun. Come on. Come on. Got stacked buyers again. This is a tough first target. You guys, if you're in it, you may want to take your target at 66.5. It's a smaller target. And if we get the break through the swing here, we can get second target, but better to get some risk off. One tick shy. Are you shooting me? Come on, seriously? All right, hit target. Now I'm at break even. Let's see if we can get VWAP target. I just showed you, I mean, all you got to do is turn it on, brother. Green for go, red for sell. I just showed you. Anybody take the stacked imbalance? Anybody take it? Okay, fellas. We're pushing the damn pivot. That's why we're stuck here. If we get through the pivot, cool. We've got buyers on top, but I do have a sequential decline, 12, 10, 5. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out, fellas. Yeah, I love them too, man. Guys, wow, crude blue. I'm telling you guys what I'm doing, so you can follow if you'd like. I'm doing everything I can to help you guys accelerate profits. There's 37. 31 is next. Come on down, you dog. Got 37. We didn't get 31, but it'll push. All right, so ES, NASDAQ, and YM have sold, right? We can't get a trade there. I'll turn my bots on now. Okay? So my NASDAQ bot is on. My ES bot is on. My YM bot is on. I'm in no danger of getting a trade. I have to now get longs in order to get a trade. The first move is out of the way. All right, we got 27. We should now trade down to 25, 611, 607, and maybe 589. I don't turn Russell. I stopped trading Russell. I can't watch that many charts. My ADHD is only good for so much. So we got if you took the order flow trades, you got a bunch of targets along the way. ES traded down into my 30 and basically held. Let's see what happens here. This is the area that I think we can get a long out of. Small net sellers, guys. I'm going to try an ES long. 32. I took an ES long. See if we can get a pullback. I will not let this go below 30. If it's going to sell, let it sell. Okay. First target, you have a target up at 37, just below the 68. I don't have an NQ short on the bot. I have my bots on. This isn't going. Got buyers, guys. Come on. Let's go. First target is 37. If you're trading multiples, maybe 36.50, just below the 68 area, fellas. Here we go. Oh, no. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Then VWAP. Come on, dog. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Booyah, baby. Booyah. Another money in the bank. Money, money, money. Everybody should be good. I give you the trade. I gived it to you. Next target, 42. If you're trading multiples, 42. Anybody take the trade, fellas? Whoop, let me see NASDAQ here. Anybody take ES? Okay, Earl. Lack of an imbalance, but I likes the longs. The bots are missing all the trades because they're not. Oh, shoot. Nice job, Fernando. God dang it. I just missed a stacked imbalance. We're going straight up to 7-11. Yesterday's high. I'm sorry, yesterday's close. Damn it. I missed my trade. Welcome, Ryan. Let's see here, Tom. Just passed your first challenge. Nice job. So we have a funded trader today. Hang on, guys. Today is June 8th. Tom Evans, another one. Another funded trader. Nice job, Tom. Nice job. Congratulations. You are very welcome, man. I missed the original bot long. Yeah, all right, fellas. Hate these enormous candles. 27 seconds. Damn it. Why is my clock not keeping up? All right, guys. I'm looking for a stacked imbalance. Nice job, Keith. I'll try a stacked imbalance long. Nope. Shut it off. Next candle. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Give me the dang. There it is right there. Now I'll take it. I know I'm taking it into the 95, but we should push up to 7-11. I'm not going to get a trade. Shut it off. Didn't go. Didn't go. We're going to trade to 7-11, fellas. Now it's going to go. Damn it. Should have left it on. I'd have had the trade. There's 11. Hit target. Got it. Break even. Out. First target only. Now we're going to push up through the day high, fellas. We're going to trade to 740. 740. We're going to trade 738, 740. That's yesterday's high. That's where this should go. If you're long and you're trailing. All right, let me try another stack long. 1,300 net buyers. We could pull back to 661, but do, do, do. 15 minutes still green, so you do have a stack seller short here below the 68. All right, guys. I'm going to try a stack seller long again, a buyer. We're still trying to squeeze up. I may not get an imbalance on the long side. I've got two here if we pick them up again. I'm going to literally go get a shotgun and shoot this cardinal in my front lawn. Shoot the window and everything. That thing is driving me out of my mind. You can cancel this, guys, for now. Cancel it. No bot trades. I'm not in the ES trade. Man, this Cardinal's been here for a week. Go away. I still think we're going up. Yep, we're squeezing up. I'm going to try the stack again. We don't have them until we get up in here. So we may get it on the next candle. And we're losing momentum here. ES got first target if your bot took it long. Minute and a half to the next 5-minute bar. Nothing. ES now back tested 37 and bounced. ES, that could keep going. If ES, you have a target at 47. I'll go back to the ES in a minute. All right, I'm turning that off. Turned it off. I like the long above 704. So up in here, above that. I'll turn it on now. There it is. Late fill. Should go. Come on. Come on. Nope. Target one filled. Back to break even. It's got to get above out even. One target only, guys. But I still like the long. Come on. Another target. Break even. If it gets above 04, it's going to rip. Out again. Nickel dimes. It's got to break this 04 and it goes. If you want it long manually, it's 04 half. It's an 04 half entry. 04 half entry. First target is 17 and then 40. Everybody keeping up, fellas? You guys keeping up? Oh, 04.5 is your manual entry, order flow entry. ES has first target moving towards second target. NASDAQ is not, YM is now turning up. There we go. 04.5 got. First target should be 16, maybe 15. We have 1,600 net buyers. We're not looking for shorts. Your stop needs to be 84. It's a big stop, 84. $16 target, hit and filled. Stop is break even. Final target, 40, 740. Target 1, hit and filled. Stop is break even, 740. Okay? If you're paying attention, you're making money. ES bot, second target filled. All right, Ozzy, we're killing them, fellas. I mean, come on. I just keep beating these things like redheaded stepchildren. I don't have any redheaded stepchildren, so if one of you are, I apologize. 740, final target. Yeah, my bot is on the YM. Yep, I have it on. Won't go for a minute and 30 seconds. I wish it would have formed somewhere around 15. I had to manually turn it on because I'm over my daily goal. Here comes anybody holding NASDAQ. 740. You can get off the bus. 740. Let me look at YM on another chart, fellas. Yeah. Come on, YM. Fire a damn trade. There you go, Marcia. 740. Boom. Not bad from 36 friggin' handles, fellas. Boom. Wonder how Buy Side Global's doing with their bullshit. There you go, fellas. Still going. I didn't have a target up here, but still going. We got another one past the combine. Greg Dowell. I'll get it in a second, Greg. We're way overbought. Way overbought up here. Come on, YM. Squeeze. Hate these big, giant candles like this, fellas. Hate them. Squeeze. Let's go. I'm not going to keep this trade. This doesn't squeeze quickly. I'll kill this trade. I'm not giving back money. I mean, we're way overbought. I'm out. I'm out. Don't care. Don't need the money. I'm out. I hate those giant candles, guys. We had back-to-back giant candles. Not to say that this can't go, but look, we're trading here. ES, you got your 47 and then some. Guys, there should be nobody not ringing the till. Is there anybody not making money? Is there anybody not making money? So Hang on 1 second here, fellas. I got to come back here. First person. We have Greg Dowell passed one. And now we have, let's see here. Hang on, Jeff. What'd you say? Thanks for a great day. Start out losing, using your own trades, and then woke up, followed you in the bot, and you are green. Nice. Melody, got it. Later, leaving before I do something stupid. Have not. Okay, good. I fat fingered a 3-lot on ES instead of MES, down 1,000 and allows. You just washed out an account, Mark. You blew your account. Somebody else just passed. I saw it. Frank Roth. That's 3 today. Three today, fellas. What losing trade did you have on ES, though? Robbie, another funded trader. Another funded trader. What? There was no losing ES trade. So I don't know how you could have lost money. Unless you fat fingered and went short. No, Mark. You said MES. Hang on. I want to make sure. Okay, you are. Nice job, Robbie. That's 4 today, fellas. Yeah, Big Don. Yeah, but we didn't have a losing trade on the NASDAQ either. There was no losing trade, Mark. That's what. So whether it was the ES or the NQ, stopped out quickly. So you couldn't move your stop, is what you're saying? Got it. Okay. I don't know how big a stop you're using, but YM got targets, guys. I killed a winning trade. YM went and got target. Again, I'm up, so I don't really care. Every account I have is green. I've traded 5 accounts today. 3 using the copier. And then 2 combine accounts. The account that I'm trading here is up 547. I needed 926 to get funded. I didn't turn gold on. Got no. Or crude. Let me see where the heck could go, fellas. NASDAQ looks today like it wants 12,800. We have some daily resistance about 812. I think we can get that and higher. We're going to trade 850 today. We're going to trade 850. See you tomorrow, Frank. All right, fellas. We're overbought. Target on the ES guys is 70. I'm not buying anything up here. I am not buying anything up here. This thing can go without me from here. Somebody's buying Credit Suisse July 35 call, July something calls for 35 cents. Boy, somebody must think that CPI is going to be a big beat, or else they're going to leave some bulls killed. See if we get a late day swoon. To reset an account is the same as a new account. That is correct. It's 86 bucks versus 90. I think they caught on when they were doing the 80% off the accounts and everybody was canceling failed accounts and just buying a new one because it was cheaper. It was $36 to get a new account versus 86 to reset. I doubt you'll see an 80% off sale again. Yeah, you'll have to cancel it. Don't forget, if you're gonna get a new account and not reset it, don't forget to cancel it, or else you'll get hit for the money. 712. I'd say you got no shot at 712. Oh, 721? No, not soon. You'll be lucky to get 755, maybe 752. We have some 10 o'clock news here. I would think we get to 12,800, but not before pullback. Nice job, Lori. You know, I obviously have that. I haven't paid any attention to that thing in forever, but it hit that target. See you tomorrow, Fernando. All right, guys, let it calm down. The easy money's been made. You've got a 200 seller here with a block. There may be a small stack imbalance in here, short. I just took one. We'll see if I can get a target. I mean, it's obviously the strength is up. Come on. Come on down. Come on. I'm out. Would have had target now. Let it retrace. Let it retrace. Let's see here. Gold in the middle of nowhere. Crude in the middle of nowhere either. Let me look at a small time frame, guys. We could come back to 704. We're holding yesterday's high, give or take now. This may act as support. If we can get through this, we trade back down to 711, which was yesterday's close. Guys, give me 1 minute. No, that's not it, Matt. Guys, on Friday we have CPI. On Friday we have CPI, right? And given that we have CPI, I'm going to try stack short imbalance. Given that we have CPI, what will happen to gold? Break even? I'm just getting a lot of these first targets. I'm not getting any real down move. Right? CPI, whatever CPI comes in at, well, obviously there will be a reaction as it relates to the dollar based on speculation of what the Feds may do, not only next week, but going forward. In turn, the dollar will affect what happens with gold. I have no interest in trading gold. None. I don't care what gold is. So I'm not trading gold. I will not trade gold tomorrow. I won't trade it tonight. I won't trade it Friday. I may trade it Friday if there's volatility in it. But gold is just languishing in kind of a sideways pattern, probably until we get through at least Friday, if not next week, Wednesday. So I have no interest in gold. Today is crude inventory day. I don't have the crude bots on. They're in shorts anyways. We're holding yesterday's high. Looks like we're trying to come back below yesterday's high. Anybody have any questions, guys? ExxonMobil, fresh all-time high, $105, 104.99. All right, we should. I'm waiting for the next. Yeah, yeah, of course. Anything below VWAP. Let's see here, Jeff. Yeah, but let me ask you a question, Jeff. I explained to you guys today, and in the past, right? I'm trading with my positions. As soon as I close a trade, as soon as I enter a trade, I check my positions because I'm using the copier also. When the trade closes, I check my positions. Additionally, I have my Apex thing up where I can flatten accounts. Hang on one second, guys. We have no momentum. We're trying, but just nada. There we go. Now we're squeezing. We're through that zone. Let me do this. Let me go down to one contract. See if I can. Oh, thought we might get it here. All right. Nah, I don't care, Sal. I don't care. I don't need an exact number. I have an about number. We're trading up into the top here, guys. I mean, I'm close enough. I mean, I just went back under with that loss, but I got all day. All I need is one trade. That'll be funded. And again, I don't get a medal for passing today. I think today is day 3 of that combine. Nice job, Jeff. What is this? ES is going to go long in 45 seconds. Here. No, 8 minutes. Never mind. 9 on the ES. Janet Yellen is speaking now. All right, well, go get coffee or sell the market. The Fed is in their quiet period. They cannot come out and say anything until after Wednesday. So my guess is they're using Yellen as a proxy. Oh. I'm not hearing anything, so. You don't need to change your time on your computer. Everything defaults to Eastern Standard on the bots. She's live on YouTube. Okay. crew didn't fire a trade. And it won't take the short. Let me see the other bot. No, nothing. We're just chopping around here, guys. We could come down below 43. Not really going very far in any direction. Armed man arrested outside U.S. Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh's home after threatening the Supreme Court justice. Well, that's one Democrat that's going to prison. Don't worry, he's still eligible to vote in the next election, even from jail. Not to worry. I mean, maybe because I'm old. What freaking world do we live in that somebody would show up armed to a United States Supreme Court justice's home and threaten him? What world? What encouragement is the far left wing giving to these idiots? And they talk about Trump in this insurrection, his insurrection. Seriously, maybe because I'm old. If I were 25, I might think that's the thing to do. I don't know. But good Lord. There you go, Matt. Yeah, he won't go to jail. You're right. You're right, Craig. He's not going anywhere. Guys, I'm trying to find us a trade. It's just chopping around. Yeah, I think we're going to get a pullback first. We're getting close to 11 o'clock. Yeah, I'm not old. I guess I'm just older, but good Lord. Got some sellers showing up now, guys. Yes, it is, Tommy. It'll be the gun's fault. The gun told him to show up. I think we're coming down here. Short NASDAQ. Short NASDAQ. Short NASDAQ. There it goes. Back to probably 12. There you go. Come on. All right, 13. No, 12 hit. Boom. 12 hit. I mean, Joe, I would ask that you use common sense on that question. What do you think? Nice job, Eric. I mean, I'm not trying to be sarcastic, right? But I like for you guys, when you guys ask me questions, which are, Captain Obvious questions, I like you guys to figure it out for yourselves, because then you know. If I tell you, I'm not helping you. And that's how I see it. And as it is, you figured it out. Yellen saying the 2% inflation target is an appropriate target. What world? There you go, guys. If anybody took that short, you got a big pop. If anybody was down, that should have helped. Anybody take that trade? For 2050, exactly. We aren't going to see 2% inflation anytime soon. Nice job, Jason. Okay, Dirk. Well, this is good news. Yellen is saying that 8% inflation is unacceptable. Sell market, man. Sell market. Thank you, James. Jason, I am using Apex's trade copier. Yeah, we aren't going to see 8%. I mean, we aren't going to see 2% for quite some time, fellas. I don't know what she's saying. Yeah, it's definitely transitory. I don't know what she's saying that is sending this market a little bit higher off that 12 level, but we're trading between yesterday's close, yesterday's high, slightly higher than yesterday's high. That's all. Guys, if you would give me 1 minute. For anybody that's not making money, use save 50, all capital letter. Here, I'll send, save 50. We're all wicks on a 15-minute candle. The last 1, 2, 3, 4, and current 5 candles. All wicks. AMD is trading essentially flat. Let me take a look at these markets, guys. So the NASDAQ's up 30 points. ES is down 10. YM is down 125. EMD is off 15. Russell's off 11. Gold is up $7. Looking at stocks, AMD is off 75 cents. Let's see what's Baba's up. Moderna's up $5. Tesla's what's carrying the market, guys. Tesla's carrying the market, up $28. Google's up 12. It's all Tesla right now. Apple is at this big resistance between 150 and 152. I mean, I don't have a whole lot here. It's very slow. Although the small time frames look like we want to come down again. I'd really like one blowdown below VWAP. I mean, there's a fair amount of red stocks. It's just a couple of heavily weighted stocks that are holding up this NASDAQ for now. All right, guys, we may get another short here. I'm waiting for this NASDAQ to roll over. That's just an ATM that I put together, said Beer. That's just a scalping. I've taught the guys, Jeff being one of them, in the afternoon session, how to scalp candles, which I'm not going to teach in this room. And that is the ATM that I use to scalp individual candles. So it is nothing that you guys, that I'm going to teach in this room. There's 200 and almost 80 people in this room. I guarantee you I will lose half of them. They won't know if I'm long, short, in or out. So I've taught it to the smaller afternoon guys when things are slow, but it's not something I'm going to do in this room. It's basically scalping 3 ticks on the ES for first target. But I do it with 4 contracts. It is not, Rich. No, it is not. I mean, for instance, I'll put this on Sim and show you. Let me find it. There it is. All right, so this is a Sim trade, right? So I've taught these guys how to scalp. This would have been a long at 47. So let me see if I get a pullback. As soon as I see the wick, come on, pull it back. See the wick? As soon as I get the wick, that's the scalp. As soon as I get the wick, that's it. This is just gonna screw around in here. And then if I get a pullback in here, it's still a long. This is still trying to pop up. These are Sim trades, fellas. This is the same exact trade. Doesn't even want to pop 3 ticks. That's how slow we are. But that's it. We do this in the afternoon when it's slow. I mean, we've had 10, 15, 20 trades in a row that are, 3 tick winners. This is just freaking dead. We are on the small time frame. We are starting to work into a very thin area of the cloud. We could get a pullback here into the top of the hour. Get ready for a NASDAQ short. It's got to come below 26. You can get aggressive here if you want with a stop at 54. It's 20 handles. It's too big. It's too big for me. I don't want that trade. But a break of 25 should take this down right here. Come on, a little bit more. There you come on. Didn't break. Here we go. Oh, still didn't do it. If it breaks, it's going to come. Nah, come on. There it is. Got it. Got it. Anybody get it? You guys get it? Okay. Nice job, fellas. Nice job. There you go. This should come down further. This could come all the way to 11. So this is the account, guys. I just got another account funded. That's the account that I needed 926 on, so I am well over. So that's another funded account. It should keep coming, guys. You should get 11. Thank you, Jalen. I don't even know. I'm almost to 10. I'll be done at 10, guys. Kind of liking this order flow thing? Yeah, man. Thank you. Here comes 11. And now if we break 11, you're going to get VWAP, which I think you can. So my order flow, guys, I just want to show you that trade. Let's add 2 more guys to this. Nice job, Dennis. Anybody else pass today, fellas? That's 5 today. And another one. That's 8 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My bad. 9. 9 for me. And James passed 10 more today, right? James? Beast. 10, 20 total. Beast. There we go, guys. Good day, fellas. And we got our whole number. Now, if we get a break of VWAP, and I think we will, we are coming down. ES broke VWAP. ES is going to, I wasn't watching ES, but look, we're holding value area low. We should trade to 37, back down to 30. If 30 goes, nice job, Steve. Nice job. Steve, let me ask you a question. Are you loving order flow, brother, or what? We should trade down here then. I think we'll see that today, 4,100. Life-changing, baby. And guys, Steve has not taken the course. Steve joined. Steve has not been in class yet. He's just gone through the videos. You know, he bought the order flow indicator and the videos, and he's largely doing studying on his own. Guys, the discount now at Apex, a $50,000 account, is $73.50. Senior quoting a I don't know what this is. What is the code, Mimi? Or is that the Canadian number? What's the code? What's the discount code? Save 50. That must be the Canadian number. Save 50, fellas. 147 minus 50. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. Going to the dentist. See you tomorrow, Steve. Guys, it is 11 a.m. Another good day. We beat them again. For my 1 o'clock, guys, I'll see you in 2 hours. Adios. I will see all of you tomorrow at 8 a.m. There's the reversal. I told you guys the reversals on the bots. I don't have them because I'm off. Anybody get the reversals? Paul, you have the link, of course. I sent it to you. I'll see you guys tomorrow, all of you. Be blessed. Trial members, Mignana.